Hello, everyone. Wait lang. So, hindi ko maano yung ano ko. Good morning. So, we're here at Camilla Tello. Camilla Tello. Good morning, everyone. So, we're here at Camilla Tello. Sila, no? Kasama na yung mga friends namin. So, together with my family, together with Hunter and Pong, Estel, Kuya Arnel, Dylan, and Saya, no? So, we're spending the day here. Uh, just chilling and relaxing here. So, kung sa background siguro narinig yun na si Stel. Actually, ang expected namin, nakala namin sobrang lamig ngayon. Pero syempre, natunaw na yung snow, no? Kasi nga, so akala namin super windy, so super lamig ngayon. In Vetche, hindi pala. Nagkamali kami. Kanina umuulan eh. So, pero ngayon, no, maganda yung, tawag dito, yung araw dito sa Sila. So, let's see. Ito yung singer kong friend. Ano ba masasabi nyo? Ayun sa akin yung maliit na mic lang. Yung kanya yung malaking mic. Alaki ng mic. So, kanta. Kantante kasi siya. So, singer talaga siya. Wait lang. Nakita kasi yung mga bata. Kuya Sayan! Oh, ito na. Ayaw niya talaga magpakita sa camera. Nasaan na? Hihirapan ako. Dino mo, di siya nagpapakita. Gimby?
Here, I'm feeding the dog.
You're feeding the dog? How about you, Kuya Dylan? How are you?
I'm back.
How are you?
I'm 9.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? You're fine.
2 are you?
How are you? Ang sabi. So, ayan. Sila Kuya Arnel naman, sila naman yung barbecue. So, barbecue kami. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ganda ng araw. Nag-video na lang tayo. Sasa no? Nahabakan niya kasi yung aso. Kanta. Interview natin si Madam Cantante. How are you for today? Mahihain. Paparazzi kita.
Ayoko paparazzi, no?
How about you? How are you for today?
Better.
Italiano pala kausap ko. Sabi ko, how are you for today? Ang sagot, Italiano. Mamma mia. O, di ba ang ganda? Kanina maulan. How about you, Kuya? How are you for today? Isang pa tayo magsalita. Mama, basta pakainin.
Basta.
Pinapakain nila yung aso. Bibi, saluti. Hi. Yes, ayan. Hi. Dylan.
Mama, cute.
Cute. Yes, mamma mia.
Che buona. Questo cane è buona.
Attenzione.
Oh.
How are you for today, oh? Don't forget to drink your GC organic barley.
Drink it. Drink. It's yummy.
It's yummy. Do you like it? Ayan. Good for your health, especially for kids. At young age until old age.
Say hi.
Say hi. Ayan. So, ginamit ko talaga yung GC Organic Barley ever since we started October.
hard fiber.
But where's Pinky, my girlfriend?
Di ba may nabibili niyan yung kapag sa mga chimilya? Yung yung pang-paano ng apo, ng...
Come marry with me. Come marry with me.
May ganyan na.
Wait a minute. I'll close.
Raga, Bimbi, guarda. Smile.
Yung tayo tayo dito mag-slow. Di ba hanggang natin pakita?
Buti pala hindi na ako bumili nung pancheta. Ay, nung ano tawag yan? Pancheta.
Ito mo yung hangin papunta lang dito.
At kapikolo, para ano pala.
Say cheese.
Nag-iisip pa naman ako kanina ng ano.
Yan, diretso na yan pagka ganyan.
Basta may mantika, okay na yan.
Obong. Kasi yung tiga dito.
Edit ko na lang.
Eat up high! Sino naman ang ano nito?
Are you okay? Are you dead?
Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Hoy, may mic ako dito. At least pa walang tao, pwede ako mag-video.
Pag meron ka sa tenga, hindi ka na nilalagay.
Siyempre. Low.
At yung hangin dapat yung butas. Dapat.
Sese! Bravo! Paano kaya maglalaro ng soccer tamad?
Well, let me stop you there
Tanga-tanga ng batao to.
before you speak.
Oh,
Not to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no. My sign is my number is no. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Need to let it go. Not to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no. My sign is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. What you gonna say? You ain't gonna get it. Thinking I'm a feeling every word. So beautiful, so original. Girl, I was in my zone before you came along. I want you to, baby, you should go. Nawala na, di hanapin mo. All the ladies listen up. Hear that boy named Vivian up. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for a season. So come on, let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I'll love you forever, we'll have some fun. So let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry, no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me, baby.
Okay lang yung ano, yung sa yung ano ko, dilute yung ginano ko.
Don't cry, snowman, don't you listen. Ooh, carry me without legs to run, honey. Without legs to run, honey.
Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the white little
pati,
ducks
pati tayo kwak na eh. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Pati yung ano, yung intro eh.
Five little ducks went off one day. Oh. The ducks came back
One.
to the hill and fly away. Oh, the ducks said quack, 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 quack. And all the five little ducks came back.
Bravo, sir. Yan.
Clap, clap, clap.
Oh, wala no.
Ano ba yung tropa, ma?
The ducks said quack, 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 quack.
Kasi na flouty.
The five little ducks came back.
Flouty.
One. Two.
Na flouty.
And fall away.
Yung sasanayan mo, baka man yung tuyo na. Yung malaki na po eh. No, no, no.
And the ducks went all day over the hill and far away. All the ducks said quack, 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 quack. And all of the pond and the ducks came back.
Hey, look, it's so hot.
Tagal naman. Ano naman, mabilis naman mawala.
Little ducks went over the hill and far away. All the ducks said quack, 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 quack. And all of the five and the ducks came back.
Hey, look.
Question na ba?
And all of the five.
Sino mo ito?
Ako. Sunod. Yan, sunod yung isa, ano, okay lang. Ano yan? Wow, sabi ni Ate Rina. Hello, Ate Rina. Charot, kala mo naman naka-live.
Little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the
say Matilda.
Said quack, 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 and all of the park where the dogs came back.
Paganda yung paes. Yan ang baby banjo ng mama.
Pa, malakas
And
yung
all
hangin.
of the park and the dogs came back.
Down.
None of the conduct went out. Quack, and all of the park where the dogs came back.
Bravo!
Bravissimo.
Beer! Ma, beer! Beer! Where's the end? Quack!
Quack, 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 and all of the park where the dogs came back.
Yay! Bravo, Ted. Bravo, Tete. Bravo, Tom Fratello.
Ano yung record?
Come on, bird!
Yung inabe. Hindi ka lang magpabango. Oo, ang baho ko dyan sa video.
Maamoy.
Bird, I'll miss the ball!
Yan eh. Basta na. Tino, oh. Tinapat niyo yung camera. Umalas si Dylan.
All
3 minutes na.
all the dogs said quack, 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 and all of the park and the dogs came back.
Galing! Talino ng baby kong yan.
Tatlong set pa na ako sa akin ah. Tatlong set pa na ako sa akin.
All the dogs said quack, 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 and all of the park
One is
and
the
the
end,
dogs
Mom. You
came
never
back.
clap your